Hi, this video is going to show how to take apart the Glock 43X and how to clean it. Just went to the range a couple days ago and probably did about 200-300 shots out of it, so it needs to be clean. Should have been cleaned right away. So first thing you're going to do, again, my disclaimer is I am not a professional by any means. I've had this gun for about a year. Absolutely love it. Everything I learned was on YouTube. I didn't see any 43X cleaning videos, so kind of had to wing it. So right now this firearm is loaded, and of course we always don't point the gun to anything that we don't tend to shoot, so we're going to keep it away from everything. So first thing we're going to do is release the mag, clear it, so it is cleared, nothing in it. The hollow point RIP round is out of it. So next thing we have to do is to release the tension off of it. So I'm going to just pull the trigger. Again, we make sure that there's nothing in it, aiming it away from anything, aiming down. So if there was a bullet for whatever reason, it would shoot, hit the ground. Nothing. So now that we know that this firearm is completely safe to handle, what we're going to do is we're going to press this little lever right here, like such. Pull back the slide, and then go forward just like such. Go completely out. Next thing you're going to do is pull out this part, put that aside, take out the barrel. It's going to be very dirty. So these are the three pieces that we're going to be cleaning. I'm using these two cleaners, paper towels. This is going to be for the inside of the chamber. So first thing we're going to do is let's get some ops cleaning. Dip it in. Let's get all this gunk out. See, it's really dirty. Ugh. Wow. When I'm at the range, I'm shooting steel. I get it off a website, outdoorslimited.com. Outdoorslimited.com. It's cheap ammo, but it's steel, and it makes for a really dirty gun. Just getting it all cleaned up. It's pretty gross. I'm going to go through a bunch of these Q-tips. Now this gun I carry all the time on me concealed. In New York, you're not allowed to have open carry, so it's always concealed. It fits pretty comfortable. The holster is a inside waistband. Got it right off of Amazon. It's like 20 bucks or something. Fake carbon fiber, but it's comfortable. So this cleaner is also a lubricant, so is the Extreme CLP. And I'll do the CLP before I'm done with everything. But yeah, this is getting pretty cleaned. I'll get all on the outside as well. I'm not sure when you're supposed to clean these. try to do it every time I shoot. Just been so busy. But I've never had any issues with any jams or anything like that. Even if I haven't cleaned it right away with this Glock. I really like this gun a lot. If you're a master gun person and you've done this millions of times and you say I'm doing something wrong, please feel free to comment. I'm pretty humble. I like learning. I don't, like I said, I'm not a professional. It's just how I do things. Right up in here. Now with the Glock 43, they do have one that's all black, but I really like the two-tone with the gunmetal gray, silver, whatever it is. I like it. This was the very first handgun I've ever shot, and I like it a lot. Alright, so that is clean. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get in this. This thing is disgusting. Let's get all this extra stuff off first before we start getting into it. So it looks like right now. All these cleaners and stuff I got off of Amazon. Oh, look at that. This thing needed to be clean. I try to take my time when I'm doing this just because, like I said, this is my full carry, full-time carry gun. It's in good working order. God forbid. In New York, there are, and again, I could be wrong, 3 types of pistol licenses you can get. You can get a sportsman, which is just to and from the range. You can get a business carry, which you can carry it whenever you're working, during business hours and whatnot. And the last one is your full carry, which you can carry at any time. So how it was explained to me is I can't, my business, when I'm working, I can't be like, can't be in the movie theaters or whatever, you know, eating dinner, at a restaurant eating dinner, because I'm not working. So I really shouldn't have it on me unless I'm working and I'm just going to go get food or whatever. But there's no reason to be in a movie theater. Alright, that's actually looking a lot better. Yeah, it looks really good. You see it's starting to be shiny again. Okay. Now we're gonna get the barrel. Clean on both sides. I just go in from the back and I twist. I twist back out. And it does a pretty good job. Barrel itself is pretty gross though. And you can look down the barrel, it's fairly clean. I'm just going to run one more of these big ones through it. It looks pretty clean and it's lubricating at the same time. Now I'll just take the spring, clean that up. And now we just put it back together. It's all done. This simply just goes right into the bottom hole and then just falls right back like such. The next thing I do is I take a clean cloth, and I'll use this lubricating one, and then what I like to do is I get right up on the edges of the rail and I just get that in there. I'm not trying to wipe it off. I'll even take this out real quick. I'll just put a drop. I just let it slide all the way down. The same thing on the other side. And it just goes all the way down. And then, just to get any excess, I'm not trying to get it all out, I just want to get all the excess off. Okay, now that that's done. Barrel's in. Spring. Oops, excuse me. That one hit right. There we go. That. Take the gun, line it up, and that's it. You're done. It's clean. Take your magazine. It's loaded. Just take that extra bullet. And you're good to go. Clean. Nice and pretty. I really enjoy the Glock. This comes with the TLR6, which is a flashlight and laser. You can just do flashlight, just do laser, or just do both. It's really good gun. I really like it. Thanks for watching.